Hi there, this feels next week's very extremely aggressive wet deluge weather forecast. UK 24 lights here. Press the fun set left side screen right now, please. The date today is the 7th of July, Sunday afternoon, guys, 24. So this is my local red day across Waking Time locally. Blue colour is the rainfall I record in the morning. Temperature is the red colour I record in the morning. So this year's 2024 June. Wow, incredible, guys, wicked. You're looking at, wow, rainfall being lower than last year's June 2023. Temperature being lower. Interesting fact is, this June we only have 4 hot days or so above 25 Celsius, up to about 30 degrees, 30.5 Celsius. That was on, you name it, guys. Wednesday, the 26th of June 2024 this year. Last year we had 15 days of hot days of about 25 Celsius across the county, so locally in South East regions, which is interesting locally. That's daytime temperature. If you look at last year's June, you see it was a lot wetter, slightly wetter, and a lot hotter, about a few more points up. These are morning temperatures that I record, not daytime temperatures, but just to give you an idea how the difference there is. If you look at the rainfall for the last, you name it, guys, 25 years or so across, well, 24 years across the South East regions, across Woking locally, you can see here it's been a dry month. That's yellow, not a drought, but a dry month. The first dry month we've had since 2018 June, which was a drought month. So it's been a wild cunning in this house. So who knows, next year June could be drier than this month, June 2024. We'll see what June 2025 brings us next year, but it has been quite dry for quite some time. We had a really wet June, not since 2021, which is interesting, guys, I will say, officially speaking, which is interesting. And there you go, guys, 17 minutes rain, 2021 June. Not very wet though, wettish. And this is the upper low temperature around the world globally today. Places interesting: off the west coast of South America, east, central, and west Pacific region, North Pacific Ocean, upper low temperature, North Atlantic, upper low temperature, off the west coast of Africa, and the Gulf of Mexico, upper low temperature. Wow, fascinating, guys, wicked. You're looking at the upper low temperature going towards La Nina, east Pacific region at the moment. Slightly warmer in the west Pacific region at the moment, but it's early days. But it might be, it's because this was a very wild hurricane season, which we have one very nice hurricane, Category 5, across the Caribbean Islands recently. I did predict this year, guys, Category 5 hurricane to Category 6 hurricane across the Caribbean Islands. I did warn you guys, I'm only 85% right about that. There's more to come this year, you have been warned by me. Yeah, it's very hot across the tropics at the moment, and hot air. And the hot upper global temperatures, there's no tripole now, it's disappeared altogether. So we're going for a slight negative NEO winter at the moment across northwestern Europe, which is not a very positive likelihood to be a very cold winter, but it's possible to be a cold winter, but not that cold. So there you go, guys. That's my forecast. We'll see what happens. So that's an old method of tripole is across the North Atlantic Ocean. The office to use. This is the upper global temperature across Woking Town looking today locally. Red lines are 30 upper air temperature average. White lines where the temperature going is going to go up in the next few days, upper temperature wise, around about the 9th to the 11th of July. And a lot of heavy thundery showers coming, unfortunately. It only goes down below it as it gets towards the 15th of July. And then it goes above it slightly as we get towards the 17th of July and stays above it. And the green line's operational. These are for us to change the usual, don't take this for granted. And this is the upper air temperature for the future. It's the 22nd of July. Finding get some hot air coming across the upper air temperature across the southeast, plus 10 Celsius just about. But the real hot air is down here across Spain and Portugal, unfortunately. So yeah, that's where it's in bottleneck to northern Africa and northern Egypt at the moment. And this is the forecast from the American 12 GFS child safety prediction for the future, guys, across the UK, eventually. And yeah, you're talking about, wow, incredible, guys, actually incredible. You're talking about the high pressure of the UK coming at last as it gets towards 20th July. So hot air comes in, and it's 25, 28 Celsius maybe across the southeast regions of the future. The American 12 GFS model weekend today. And this is the jet stream. It's south at the moment, but it will go north towards, you name it, 21st of July or so. It will get to go north eventually as we get further on to the future. There we go, 23rd of July. So it will get hotter. That's the culprit late now. That's when we say cold. We've been north of the jet stream, now going south of the jet stream further in the future. And these are hurricanes across the Atlantic at the moment. And that's, you name it, hurricane tropical storm in California. In Texas, it's going towards Texas. You can see that, guys, where it's going. This is where across the UK right now. There's a very heavy thundery showers coming across the county so locally. It's been quite wet around Townfields and Woking Town earlier on. You can see another thunderstorm shower coming towards. And these are heavy. And these are the weather forecast for Woking Town. You can see what's going on here, guys, today into the future. It's going to settle next week. Not a lot to say more than unsettled weather, but it will cheer up into the future. It should get hotter and warmer. It keeps changing the forecast feature. These are thunderstorms across the UK right now. This is live. This sky is Michelle signs. Things will get better with hot weather towards the end of July into August 24. Maybe not 45 Celsius, maybe just 38 Celsius, who knows. This sky is nice, showing the sun, just madre.